Hi there. This is gonna be a video response, another video response for Loki. This is my second video response today, and well, he has a video called "Can you make a video of recipes of your country?" Yes, of course. I will try to tell one about from my country, and it's very easy, and I will try to tell you clearly. Have the recipe here, and it's very easy. You need only bread, tomatoes, ripe tomatoes with lots of juice, extra virgin olive oil, and some salt, just a little salt. Okay, it's very easy. So the first thing you have to do is to cut a generous slice of bread, and then to cut in half one tomato. You take the half tomato, and then you wrap the tomato on the bread, and make sure that you squeeze the tomato, so this way the juice is gonna be absorbed by the bread. So the second thing is, or the third thing is to take the oil, and then to put the oil on the top of the bread generously. Okay, you put the oil, and then you can put some salt, and that's it. Then this way you have prepared the bread with the tomato and the oil. Okay, it's tasteful if you eat like this, but a lot of people then add some other things. For example, you can add cheese. Dry cheese. I don't know how to say if it's dry cheese, or you can add some jam, or I don't know, even some meat. I don't know, and even you can make a sandwich with 2 slices. So I think it's very tasteful, and it's very easy to do. So if you want to try this, I hope you will like it. So that's it, and bye for now.